Hi, Mark Fraser with Edwards Garage here in Rocky Mountain House, Alberta. Today I'm going to do a walk around video of this 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. So it comes with that 5.7 liter Hemi engine, and the color, just to refresh myself, Maximum Steel Metallic. So really nice color. Just want to point out that the previous owner has installed some paint protection up front there, so that's helped with rock chips. The vehicle only has 17,000 kilometers, so it doesn't have much road life on it, but got the 18-inch tires, and they are Duratrax. Got the factory running boards. We've got heated outside mirrors that are power folding as well. It's keyless entry, so push button start. But it's like new condition, this vehicle. Got this handy little step that comes out here to access the box. Very cool. Backup camera. Got a box liner. Doesn't look like it's had anything in it. Very good condition. No scratches. This is in excellent shape. And next, let's go inside and check out the interior. And there's lots of features inside this Rebel, so let's meet me inside and we'll check them out. So I'm inside this 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, and immediately I see lots of features. Let's start over at the driver's door and we'll work across. Has programmable driver's seat and those power folding mirrors, as I mentioned. They come in, power adjustable, auto windows down on both sides, driver and passenger. Down below here you can't see, but there is auto headlights and there is pedal adjustment on this truck. So great little features. Steering wheel, we have controls on the back here for our radio. And we have controls here for this digital driver information center, which has lots of information, lots of features. Too much to go through right now, but very cool. Lots of good stuff up there. Bluetooth controls. We have forward collision alert. This does come with adaptive cruise, which is really nice for those long drives. Over here is your actual cruise control settings. So it is push button start. Our four-wheel drive is right here, and our shifter is a rotating dial. Very neat and very tidy. We have hill descent assist, and then if we wanted to lock those axles in, or that axle, you can do it right there. Now over to the screen. As you can see, this is one big screen, and there's lots of stuff in there. But I'll just kind of briefly touch on it. You're looking at the climate control right now. I can bring up the radio. Shows our navigation there as well. Our controls for our heated seats. We can activate our backup camera. We also have navigation we can activate. Our phone settings, and tons of stuff within each one of those settings, but lots of stuff, obviously a lot of useful things there for traveling. Down below here we have our integrated trailer brake control, and we have our park assist sensor disable, tow haul mode, and StabiliTrak. Now below that you can see here we have multiple charging ports. So we have the USB-C and the USB ports. So we have some here for the passenger and the driver. So lots of ports for charging your devices. And down here we have kind of a hidden compartment here where you can store lots of goodies, phone holder, lots of convenient space. Now when we pop this up, we have another little storage tray here, and then we grab the other latch, and then you can see a huge console storage space. So lots of storage space that you can access from the driver's seat. Now, more features and buttons up here. Just want to show you one of the biggest sunroofs I've ever seen. So basically it gives the driver and the passenger lots of outside light, but also your back passengers can enjoy the sunroof as well. So very cool, very unique for a pickup truck. There's also controls up here for power sliding window. You can tilt and open the sunroof as well, but very cool. Lots of cool features in this truck, and the condition is excellent. It's pretty much brand new. It's got low kilometers, and it's obviously been looked after. So let's jump in the back seat and we'll check out condition and features. So meet me back there. So I'm in the back seat of this 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. and very, very good condition. First off, is the first thing I noticed. Like new condition. I also noticed that it has these great floor mats for protecting. If you have wet, muddy feet or snow, these look like they'd be a great add-on to protect the carpet. Now, looking up front here, it has the same charging ports as the front seat did. So your passenger on the left side has both a C and the USB, and the same here. And also the outside seats are heated. So great little features for the backseat drivers, I guess, for lack of better terms. And then it has a 120 volt charging port there as well, so it's great for a laptop. But seats lift up, lots of space back here, really good condition. Let's meet up front and we'll close out this video. So there you have it, the 2020 Ram 1500. Now, I didn't cover half the options on this truck. It's loaded up. It's got lots of cool features, and that screen on the front is unreal. It's got tons of controls and things you can do with, to customize the truck to the way you want it. The truck's in great shape. It's like new. Like I said, it's a 2020, has just over 17,000 kilometers, and we got it well priced below a new Rebel. We got it priced at $65,995. Great truck, very clean, ready to go. If you're interested in coming down and taking it on a test drive, or you'd like to just learn more about the truck, feel free to give me a call, Mark, at Edwards Garage, 403-845-3328. Thanks.